Hello everyone, in this video we will see the concept of list within list. So that is nested list. So far we have seen examples of a list which is having some values like this. Okay, so now what we will do, instead of values we will add a list itself as an element to another list. So like this. Okay, and I can give one more list also here. So it is 4, 5, 6. And now this first list is this one. So it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So out of which the fifth value is a list. Okay. So if you take this fifth value, so it is having 4 elements, out of which the last value is a list of 3 elements. Okay. So now here I can convert this also to a list like this. This is the concept of a nested list. Now we will see how to access all these elements. Okay, so first let me print the length of this A. Okay, so A is having 5 elements. Okay, so out of which first 4 are numbers. Okay, so here you can see A of 0 is a number, A of 1 is a number, A of 2 is a number, A of 3 is a number, and A of 4 is a list. Now assume that I want to access this 2. So this 2 is present in 4th index, that is 5th element. So that is when I give A of 4. Okay, you can see this is the element where 2 is present, and within this element this 2 is present in 1st index. So I have to give 2 indexes, A of 4, and within A of 4 the index is 1. Now I can get this 2. Now I can update this. A of 4 of 1 is equal to 10. Now when I print the content of A, you can see this 2 is being, okay, so this 2 is being changed to 10. So now let us access this 4. So how to access 4? So A of 4 is this one. So in this list, this 4 is present in second one. Okay, so A of 4 of 1 is, so this 4 is present in 0, 1, 2, 3, third index. Okay, so we have to give A of 4 of 3. Okay, so then in this list it is the first element, that is 0th index. So now you have to give like this, A of 4 of 3 of 0. Okay, so you are getting 4. Now you can change this to 40, and when you print A, you can see this element is changed to 40. Now let us access this 60. How to access this 60? So this 60 is present in this element. So this is A of 4, A of 4, and in this A of 4 it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is A of 4 of 3, and then in this it is 0, 1. Okay, so you have to give A of 4 of 3 of 1. Now 60 is the last element, that is minus 1. So you can give like this, A of 4 of 3 of 1 of minus 1. Okay, so like this only you can access nested list indexes. So if I want to update this 60 to 1, 2, 3, what I should do? So I can give like this, equal to 1, 2, 3. Now if I print A, you can see 60 is being updated to 1, 2, 3.